Hi, this is Ross Fishman, and we're going to be talking about networking and working a room. This is the second section. We're going to be talking in this module about where to go to network effectively and efficiently. We're going to talk a lot about specific tactics, particularly in this section, what to do before you go to an event, and then what to do while you're there. What tactics and tools can you employ during the event? So, in the niche marketing session, I talked a little bit about this, about the different kinds of people, the rainmakers versus the people who don't have business, and that people who have a lot of business tend to have a lot of contacts. They tend to have very significant mailing lists, where people who don't have a lot of business tend to have very small lists, if they have a list at all. If you don't have a list, first thing that you do when we're done with this section is start to put your list down. And people say, oh, no, I know who I know. It's in my head. No, it's not. If you don't have it in writing, it doesn't exist. Your list needs to be a dynamic tool. It needs to be something that you are constantly adding to, shuffling, prioritizing. Who are your hottest prospects? Who are the people you don't know as well? Who are the people that you are just meeting? And so you're going to be constantly shuffling this list. And so what we want is for you, especially if you're newer in your career, to start to develop that list based on your who do you go to high school with, who do you go to college with, who do you go to law school with, where are your peers, who do you know, what relatives and friends do you have who could turn into clients or prospects or influencers, referral sources, and so on. You've got to have a list. You just can't be a serious rainmaker. You can't be serious about your marketing unless you have a list in writing. Okay? And so what we want is for you to have a significant list and grow it over time. Start with wherever you are now, make sure you have that list, and then be supplementing that throughout the course of your career.